two of my student channel, one was terminated and one was demonetized. And if you don't want your channel to be demonetized or terminated as at this period, then you have to play safe. The channel that was demonetized, YouTube clearly states to her that for this period of her demonetization, she will not she should not monetize another channel to get way of the demonetization. They will not even allow that. And if she have a channel that is already monetized, she should not direct people from this channel to that channel. It will lead to termination, total termination of her channel. All of those messages I am going to be reading out for you guys, then tell you why one of my student channel was terminated and why one was deleted. And the annoying part of this termination, where YouTube actually remove your channel, is for now she cannot create another channel. I don't know if it is a new rules because I've been away for over 14 days. But first of all, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And I want to say a very big thank you to every single one of you that checked up on me, sent your condolences messages. I'm so grateful. I do not take you guys for granted. You guys are actually the best. Thank you so much for loving Vibe with Sonia. To everyone that is still coming up to watch my videos, I am so grateful. I'm sorry I take a long period of time. I dropped an update that I lost my mother-in-law. A lot of people prayed for their mother-in-law not to be alive, but I have literally been praying for Mai to be alive because she has been good to me right from relationship days to marriage days to even these present days before death actually took her away. So it really weighed me down. Even till now, I can't lie, I've not really gotten myself to that point yet, but I have to gather the morale to come and do this video just for you to be safe. So it is important that you watch and share this video. Anyways, with that being said, let's get right into why my girl's channel was actually demonetized. And I'm going to be pasting it here so that as I'm reading, you're also seeing, but I'm going to be covering her name, right? Anyways, you can see it here. Your channel is no longer eligible for monetization. And this was it. They said, our team of policy specialists, reviewed your channel. Then her name, we found some of your content on your channel is not in line with the YouTube partnership program policy. As of today, your channel is not eligible to monetize. And you will not have access to monetization tools and future. Now listen to the condition. Why your channel is demonetized, you should not try to monetize new or existing channel to get around this restriction. This includes using any of your related channels to apply to YPP or directing viewers to other channels that may already be monetizing. Doing this could lead to termination of all your channels. Please go to your endpage studio to read more, blah, blah, blah. Now, this particular channel, if you check on the one that they actually sent on her studio, I don't even want to go into all of this. If you believe, okay, this is where they said if you believe, just go ahead and send an appeal. Let's forget about all of that so that I will show you guys exactly what happened. On this particular channel, this my girl channel that was actually terminated, that was actually demonetized. What really happened is there was a new update on YouTube Shorts that at the end of the day I was not aware of because I was not here. In fact, even doing research now, like I said, God have mercy. Now, in the new update, this is what YouTube said for the new update, right? We want to give all creators control over how their content shows up across YouTube, while we want to enable everyone to remix content across YouTube. We also want to provide the original content creator with adequate control to restrict the use of their content. Therefore, there are instances where your short can be deleted when the status of the source video that you sampled from changes as a result of this policy. Your YouTube short title, they gave her the title of the video, has been removed from YouTube. We believe by providing tools to all creators over this content, we are creating a healthier content and creators ecosystem for all. We will continue to evaluate and experience and how the experience will blah blah blah. That is it. So if you're doing collaboration right now, if a channel collaborates, maybe you collaborate with me and you collab with me, and at the end of the day my video was actually, I deleted my video or my video was taken down, it will definitely affect your own video, and your own video too will be taken down. But the good part of this is this will actually not give you strike. I've had short videos that actually gave me strike. Yeah, the one I actually collaborated with someone, but the reaction, by the time I read back what they said, I knew that my reaction was wrong. So right now, if you want your channel to stay monetized, make sure that you are creating your own shorts by yourself. Make sure that every single shot you're bringing is your shot. I'm not saying you should not collab, but when you collab, because what this my girl usually do is when she collab with this particular brand and she saw that this particular brand actually gave her a lot of views, she will go and recollab with that particular brand. So the moment she recollab like 3, 4, 5 with the same video, maybe on different instances, and that creator actually took down that video, or that video was deleted because maybe he didn't follow the YouTube rules and regulation and so on and so forth, her channel automatically got demonetized, because we've checked through all of her videos. Her long form videos has no issue. The place that the issue was actually coming from was coming from her short form videos, and that is why you need to be careful. If you must collab, because the truth is collab gives a lot of views, and she has been using collabs as well to like get some coins because she's monetized down to her channel, right? But if you must do that, I advise maybe you do just one and just move on. Or for me, I prefer you look out for the sound and use the sound and create your own, so that you don't get demonetized, because there's a lot of new rules and regulation right now that a lot of us are not even aware of. So you will literally have to be careful so that this doesn't affect you. Then let's talk about my woman's channel that was terminated, deleted totally from YouTube. Now the main reason why it was terminated and deleted was not only coming from her shorts, but it was also coming from her live stream, where she used one clip repeatedly at a time. And I keep saying it, that if you're using Restream or you want to use live stream to monetize, make sure you create different videos for different occasion. So she was thinking because it was just pictures and she can use the same picture, so she keep using it over and over again. When it was time for her to monetize, her channel got monetized, and in less than 1 month, yeah, I think she stayed up to 1 month, her channel is terminated, and she cannot even create another one right now. And I don't know the new rules of YouTube right now, if the money in her AdSense account will actually be credited, because I know she have surpassed her $100 threshold. I don't know, but please be careful. If you're doing live stream, do live stream with different videos. If you're using pictures, the one that they provided with green screen, do it with different videos as well. If you're using any sound, use different sounds as well. Don't think that because this one is actually bringing views, I'm going to be limited to this one alone, or I will keep using this one alone. At the end of the day, you might get issues that for you to resolve it will take a long time. For this my girl that is demonetized, it will take her 3 good months before she can actually apply for the YouTube monetization program again, and of which that is actually not what I wish for any single person that is watching me. But let me know if you've seen these updates before. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, guys, with no further ado, I'd like to say in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah.